Hi, good day. I'm Kenneth Morgan, 35 years old, a food surgeon in Davao City, Philippines. And today, I'm gonna show you the 5 standard cuts of whole dressed chicken. And before we proceed to cuttings, I'll show you how to sharpen my knife using the honing steel with a 55 degrees angle. Now let's proceed to cuttings. And these are the 5 standard cuts of whole dressed chicken. First is the backbone, drumstick, wings, thigh, and the breast. That's all. Thank you.